Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add gift card to Nike application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have the search bar. We have also your profile, your bag. And when we click on these three lines here, we again have your profile where you can click on. We have the new and featured, men, women, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a gift card to a Nike application. So how you can, and if you ask yourself why can't you put your Nike card online, you either put the wrong letter or number, put a serial number instead of the code, then carefully read the instructions and input the correct thing. Second, if you're not activated, for you to get to the not activated error message, it means there is a slight issue with your gift card. So maybe you have a gift card and you can of course go and activate it by going to the check the box next to do you have a gift card, product, voucher or promo code in the payment step of the checkout. Of course, there just enter your gift card number or pin and click apply and you have it like that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. And of course guys, as always, bye guys.